stand before you tonight, my heart is filled with immense gratitude and pride. Serving as Miss Pride Baclayan has been an unforgettable journey, filled with love, laughter, and a deep sense of community. To my dear family, thank you for your support, love, and encouragement. Your beliefs in me has been my greatest strength and motivation throughout this journey. I am forever grateful for your presence and love. To the barangay officials and of course my SK officials, thank you for your steadfast support and for fostering an environment of acceptance and inclusivity. Your dedication to our community has made a significant impact, and I am honored to have represented Baclayan under your guidance. To my fellow queens, thank you for your friendship, support, and the shared moments that have made this experience truly special. You have inspired me with your strength, beauty, and resilience. To the Baclayan community, your acceptance and encouragement have been the foundation of my life. Thank you for celebrating diversity and for standing with us in the fight for equality and love. As I pass on this ground, I carry with me memories of joy and triumph. To the next queen, may you shine brightly and continue